Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox Error 503 Service Unavailable. So basically here, this Roblox error saying this code 503 is usually due to the company's servers going down. So Down Detector will help you. You can go right here and check if the Roblox has a problem right now. So click on Roblox and here you'll find if there are reports indicated a problem at Roblox. You can see right here Roblox outages reported in the last 24 hours and you can find if the Roblox is down at this time. So basically this is generally due to bugs, maintenance, or high traffic. There are a few things on your device and software that could trigger the error though, and if Roblox actually down, all you can do is just wait and keep trying to reconnect periodically. So that's the answer. Just need to wait right here and just need to let the Roblox support fix the problem on their server. That's it. That's how we basically fix error code 503. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.